Hello student, welcome once again in our mathematics standard 7 comparing quantities chapter number 8. Once again in our standard 7 mathematics chapter number 8 comparing quantities. Student, before starting our today's sessions, let's start our physical exercise. Yes, your emoji, your friend is in your screen telling you to start your exercise. An exercise means not any kind of particular. As per your convenience, you can do it. Okay, my dear student, here is the question number 1 of exercise 8.1 comparing quantities. Question number 1. Tell what is the profit or loss in the following transactions. Also find profit percent or loss percent in each case. Student, you already knowing about the profit and loss. Profit means selling price SP minus cost price. Whenever you buy a thing and then after you are selling, the things are selling with little high price. Okay, good, little bit high price. Yes, my dear student, you are right. Profit is equal to SP minus CP, selling price minus cost price. Same way, loss is equal to CP minus SP. Sometimes you can buy a thing and you are selling with a less price. Selling price is less. Suppose you buy a scooter. After 2 years, will you sell it with the same price or high price? Never. It is never possible. Because scooter, when you purchase this, suppose you purchase with a 60,000, but when after 2 years you are selling, you will never get 60 or more than 60. You have to sell it below the 60,000, 30,000, 40,000 or 50,000 as your condition. So that time you will get a profit or loss. Yes, you are 100% right. You will suffer a loss. So these two things you are knowing in your lower classes. Let's check this year. A. Gardening shears bought for rupees 250 and sold it for rupees 325. Yes, student, sold means SP and brought means CP. SP is more than CP, then there should be a profit. Yes, first is a profit. Cost price is 250, selling price is 325. And we are knowing profit is equal to SP minus CP. Bigger number minus smaller number will give you a 75. Second B. A refrigerator bought for rupees 12,000 and sold it rupees 13,500. A shopkeeper is selling like this. Yes. So it will add something more in this amount. So it's a selling price is more or less. Yes, that means a profit. Okay. Next, a cupboard bought for 2,500 and sold it rupees 3,000. Same way, a skirt bought for 250 and sold it 150. Here, sold means selling price is less than cost price, brought price. Yes, my dear student, it is a loss. So, loss is here. But my dear student, one more thing I want to tell you. When you are going to purchase or things, you will get a profit. But whenever you are finding the percentage of your profit or loss will be calculated with this formula. With this formula. Isn't it correct? Okay, student, as profit percentage is given the formula by profit upon CP multiplied by 100. Whenever you want to find a percentage of profit or loss, this formula you should have to use. Whenever you want to use profit, then profit percentage is equal to profit upon CP multiplied by 100. As our profit is 75 rupees, CP is 250, multiplied by 100, we will get this much. How it came, just I want to show you. This 0 and this 0 will cut out. Good. Now, what is there? 25 ones are 25 and 25 3s are 75. Can you get the answer, beta? Yes, right. So 75 is divided with 25 will give us a 3. Now what is the left on the numerator side? On the top side, so top side 3 into 10 will give you a 30. And then don't forget to put the percentage sign. Here by mistake the percentage sign is not shown, but you can add it. Now B, cost price is 12,000 rupees, selling price is 13,500, and we are knowing selling price is more than that will be a profit. So profit is equal to 13,500 minus 12,000 will give you a 1,500, or you can say 1,500. Same thing, what is the process of the percentage profit? Same formula, profit upon CP multiplied by 100, and you are having the 12.5 percentage. C, 2,500 and SP is equal to 3,000. Here SP also more will give you a profit. The profit is 500 rupees. So 500 upon 2,500 will give you a 20%. How it is? Simple, beta. This 2 zeros cut, this 2 zeros will cut. Now what is the left side on the downside? As a denominator, there will be a 25, and top side is a 500. So 500 divided by 25 will give you a 25 ones are 25 and 25 twos are and 20. Is it? Correct. So 20%. Easy. Now D. Cost price is equal to 50. Selling price is 150. Here cost price is more than selling price. Then there will be a, yes, there will be a loss. Loss means, yes, my dear student, loss is equal to 250 minus 150. Isn't it? Correct? Right. Correct. Now look at here. Next topic is here. Loss is equal to 100 rupees. Now 100 rupees is the loss and divided by CP. What is the CP? 250. So 250 multiplied by 100. 100 divided by 250 multiplied by 100 will gives you a 40%. I think you got the idea of the first question by A to D. Look at here, question number 2. Convert each part of the ratio to percentage. Student, percentage and ratio are also, you can show like this way. 3 is to 1, 2 is to 3 is to 5, and 1 is to 4, 1 is to 2 is to 5. Isn't it? 3. 3 is to 1. Total parts of the 3 and 1 is equal to 3 plus 1, 4. So, what is the part of first one? 3 upon 4. 3 upon 4 and multiply by 100. That's a part of the percentage, 75. First part. Second part is a 1 and total part are 4. So, 1 upon 4 multiplied by 100 will give you a 25%. Or you can say whenever there are the 4 parts of anything, all things, suppose we are taking the 4 part. Out of that, 1 part is here and 3 part is different one. Isn't it? 3 part are blank and 1 part is this one. Can you tell me what is the part of this one in percentage? Okay, anyone is there, it's 100%. If I divided in 2 parts, that means 50 is this one, 50 is this one. Okay, but when 4 are there, again 2 parts, that means a 25 here, 25 here, 25 here, 25 here. So this part is a 25%, isn't it? And this part is a 50% of the picture. So from the numbers, you get the imaginations how to make a 35%, 75% or 25%. 2 is to 3 is to 5. First of all, total of these 3 numbers, 2 plus 3 plus 5 will give you a 10. So first part is 2 upon 10, second part is 3 upon 10, third part is 5 upon 10. Isn't it? Same way C. Total parts is equal to 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. Isn't it? Correct. Now, first part is what is there? 1 and 1 upon 5. 1 upon 5 will give you a 20%. Yes, you can divide it 5 parts and see what will be the answer. Answer is 20 and 4, that is 80%. Okay, D part, D is the 1 is to 2 is to 5. Correct? Yes. So there will be a 1 plus 2 plus 5 is equal to 8. Easy? Okay, now what about the first part? First part is 1 upon 8. 1 upon 8 is nothing. What is that 1 upon 8? Yes, my dear student, 1 upon 8 is nothing but it's a Yes, look at here. 8. Okay. Now 1 upon 8, that means a 12.5. 2 upon 8, that gives us a 25, and 5 upon 8 will gives us a 62.5. When you add up this all percentage, you will get a 100. Pakka. It will gives you a 100 only. Isn't it? Correct. Now look at the third question. The population of a city decreased from 25,000 to 24,500. Isn't it? Yes. Find the percentage decrease. Percentage decrease you have to find out, students. Look at here. Don't afraid about anyone. Percentage in answer. So you have to find out what will be the percentage decrease. Barabar hai? Correct. Population is there. Present population is this much, and final population is this much, and decrease is 500. You got it. Minus it. Now percentage in decrease. Percentage is decrease means 500 is a decrease one, and total one is a initial was cost price, likewise a cost price. The initial is a 25,000. Multiply by 100. That gives you a 2%. How? These two zeros. Sorry, these two zeros. These two zeros. And then after 1 0, 1 0. Isn't it? Now 25 and 50. 50 upon 25. Student, 50 upon 25. 50 upon 25, you are knowing very well how to do this one. 25 ones are 25, 25 twos are 50. Isn't it? That's why 2% is the answer. Isn't it? Correct. Now look at here. Now fourth question. It may be there. You can just check out in the textbook. You cannot find quantities. Just check out. Arun bought some car. One car he brought of how much rupees? 32,000. Not but 3,50,000. 3,50,000. Isn't it? Yes. And now what will be the answer for this one? Final price went up to rupees 3,70,000. What was the percentage of price increase? 20,000. Correct. You are right, my dear student. Just simplified. What about this one? Yes, same one here. You are having the things. Easy? Yes, my dear student. Once again, I am very confident you will get the answer. You want to revise the once again, then we can discuss it. Profit percentage is nothing. A new formula for you this year. That means a profit percentage or loss percentage is equal to loss upon CP and multiply by 100. Multiply by 100. Isn't it? Okay. These are the formulas for you to understand the things. Whenever it will ask you a increase or decrease, or you can find out these types of things, will be very helpful to your blood report, medical report. Whenever you are going to a pathology lab, they are taking your bloods and check out and tell you what you are having the disease or whatever the report. It is how much will be come out in 1 hour, what is the increasing or decreasing. So each and every time they are following this rule. My dear student, once again I want to remind the formula on Deka Funda. Let's check what is the formula on Deka Funda. It's nothing but profit means SP minus CP and loss is equal to CP minus SP. Isn't it? Or you can say profit percentage is equal to profit upon CP multiply by 100. Same way you can say loss percentage is equal to loss upon CP multiply by 100. Will you remember this formula? Forever, not for this year. See, one more example is here. Cost price is 12,000, selling price is 13,500. So profit is equal to 13,500 minus 12,000 will give you a rupees 1,500. Is it correct? Oh, now you are having the formula. Will you put the value in the formula? Yes, why not? Profit is given, that's a 1500, correct. And then after, what is the CP? CP is a 12,000. Yes, my dear student, you are right. And then after, multiply by 100. Let's check and simplify these two zeros, and these two zeros will cut out. I will put the line here. Okay, now what is there? 1 0 is gone and 1 0 is this one cut. Easy or not? Yes. Now what is the left? Only 150 upon 12. Now you can think 150 upon 12. Isn't it? So how to find out this 150 upon 12? Who is starting to find the answer? Yes, I am giving 2 minutes or 1 minute. Okay, 1 minute. Right, you are the student of 7th standard and you are knowing how to divide, and simple division is there. 150 upon 12. Answer will come in decimal. So please check it. These things. Very good, very good. You are right, my dear student. I just said decimal answer will come out. Decimal answer, that means 12.5 percentage. Easy. Cost price is equal to 2,500. Selling price is equal to rupees 3,000. Yes, my dear student, 3,000 minus 2,500 will give you a rupees 500. And you are knowing the simplification of this one. Yes, want to do? Yes, right, no problem. These two zeros will cut out. Whatever the left here, 500 divided by 25. Yes, this way you are doing on the back side page, or you can say rough knot. So 25 ones are 25, 25 twos are 50. Yes, minus it, 0, 0. Okay, sorry beta, 0 you have to start from here, 0, and then after this 5 minus 5, 0. Bringing down this 0 downside, whenever bringing down and not possible, will give you a 0. Is it at 20 is the answer? How to check this 20 is correct or wrong? Yes, I will show you how to make this true. So 25 into 20. If you do and if you get this dividend, it is called the dividend. This is called the divisor. This is called the quotient, and this is called the remainder. When you multiplied a quotient and divisor, if the answer is dividend, then your answer is correct. What you got, the quotient, is correct one. If you fail to get the dividend, that means you made a simple mistake. And once again I remind you, mathematics is the subject. When you make any mistakes, then and then only you will learn something. Okay beta? Right. You are right, my dear student. It is that one. That's why I am telling you number of times. Let's check. 0, 5 twos are 10, 1 is the carryover, 2 twos are 4 plus 1, 5. Yes, you are having the 500. And this 500 and this 500 are both are same. That means our answer is right. 20%. Don't forget to put the percentage sign. Last example of today's revision, I want to remind you, cost price is 250. That means you can say SCP is equal to 250. Okay, SP is equal to 150. Right. Or here, can you compare who is the greater number? CP or SP? Oh, I see. You are asking what is CP? But keep your full attention. I already said number of times. No problem. I appreciate it. You ask what is CP and what is SP. Clarify your doubts. Otherwise, what is that? We can understand. You are the student of a 7th standard. You are knowing about this, all the terms, all the full forms. You are knowing very well. That's why you can say CP is equal to cost price and SP is equal to selling price. अच्छा, cost price क्या है? Cost price means whenever you purchase anything, it's a cost price. और same thing if you are selling, that's a selling price. खरीदना और बेचना, दुकान वाले हैं वो कोई भी चीज़ लेके आते हैं तो वो बाहर से लाते हैं और फिर बाद में बेचते हैं. क्लियर? जैसे आपके पास कोई शॉप है, आपके पापा की, आपके अंकल की, और आप कहीं पे भी कुछ खरीदने जाते हैं. आपने कुछ कोलगेट लिया, सपोज कुछ चीज़ लिया, तो वो चीज़ वो दुकान वाला कहाँ से लाया होगा? यस, समवन एल्स. तो उसने कहीं से भी बाय किया होगा, बराबर, परचेज किया होगा. दैट इज कॉल्ड द कॉस्ट प्राइस. अच्छा, उसके बाद वो क्या करता है? सेलिंग प्राइस करता है, सेल कर देता है, बराबर बेटा. तो सेलिंग प्राइस इज इक्वल टू 150. सो हु इज मोर, सेलिंग प्राइस और कॉस्ट प्राइस? कॉस्ट प्राइस आपकी ज़्यादा है बेटा. इधर आपने कुछ चीज़ खरीदी और बाद में उसको आपको सस्ते में बेचनी पड़ी, तो आपको प्रॉफिट होगा क्या लॉस होगा? मान लो आपने एक स्कूटर लिया, स्कूटर का प्राइस आपको कितना लगा है बेटा? यस, मान लो कि आपने 50,000 का स्कूटर लिया है, कोई भी, बराबर है. बाद में 2, 4, 6 महीने, 2 साल के बाद आप वो बेचने जाएंगे तो आपको कितना मिलेगा बेटा? कम मिलेगा. यस, कम ही मिलेगा, पक्का, ज़्यादा तो नहीं मिलेगा कभी. हाँ, दूसरी चीज़ में ज़्यादा मिल सकता है, लेकिन इसमें तो पक्का है, क्योंकि वो चीज़ ऐसी है कि उसको आपको कम मिलेगा. कम मिलेगा मीन्स सपोज आपको 40,000 मिलता है, तो सेलिंग प्राइस होगी आपकी 40,000, कॉस्ट प्राइस होगी आपकी 50,000, बराबर है. तो अब क्या करेंगे? बाद में बड़े नंबर में से छोटा नंबर सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे. यस माय डियर स्टूडेंट, यू आर राइट. 10,000 इज द राइट आंसर. बट ये प्रॉफिट और लॉस विल बी, टेल मी. यस, इट इज अ लॉस. सो लॉस फॉर्मूला इज CP माइनस SP. तो प्रॉफिट की क्या फॉर्मूला थी आपको याद आ गई ना? भी एक चीज याद रख लेने की कोई भी, वरना कंफ्यूज हो जाएंगे. यस, profit is equal to SP minus CP. Okay, what is the SP here or what is the CP here? CP is 250, correct, and SP is student 150. It is given in question already. Okay, now what is the loss here? Loss is rupees 100. Okay, now they ask us percentage loss. Loss percentage is nothing but फॉर्मूला इज लॉस अपॉन CP. लॉस कितना है बेटा? 100 का, और CP कितनी अपनी 250 की है, तो मल्टीप्लाई किससे करेंगे बेटा? 100 से. सेम फॉर्मूला प्रॉफिट की जैसी थी उसी तरह से हम ले लेंगे इधर, बराबर बेटा. चलो ये वाली फॉर्मूला ले ली, 100 वाली. तो लॉस तो आपके पास आ गया, 100 भी है, ये 0 गया, इसमें से एक 0 गया, 25 4 जा 4 इंटू 10, दैट मीन्स 40% का लॉस होगा. देखने का है, चलो देखते हैं क्या मिलता है आंसर हमको. यस, राइट, आवर आंसर इज करेक्ट. कैन यू गेट इट? वांट टू जूम इट? यस, यू कैन जूम इट एंड चेक इट. इज इट राइट और रॉन्ग? यस, इट इज परफेक्टली राइट. इट इज परफेक्टली राइट. लॉस परसेंटेज इज इक्वल टू लॉस अपॉन CP मल्टीप्लाई बाय 100, and we are having a loss of 100 rupees and CP already given 250. Now just simplified. When you simplified, you will get a 40% का उसको loss हो गया. Rupees 100. Yes. That is the point. My dear student, you are very sharp, very clever. These types of questions are most appreciable, and I hope you already got the clear idea regarding this one. How to find out a profit and loss. Once more thing regarding the ratios. Ratios is showing about like this way. Maybe you heard this word. How to read out this one? Yes, 3.1. Sorry better. Sorry, I already took this example before 15 minutes and you forgot it. So that means you are not putting your full interest. Full interest you have to put it, and then after say 3 is to 1. How to read out this one? 3 is to 1. How to read out this one? 3 is to 1. Correct? Right. 3 is to 1. That means Yes, my dear student, 3:1, nothing else. बराबर बेटा? Yes, you are right, my dear student. 3:1. So 3:1, that means total part is 3 plus 1 will give you a 4. 3:1 will give you a 1. Okay, so 3 plus 1 gives you a 1 answer, that's a 4. So first part is 3 and total part is a 4. So 3 upon 4 and multiply by 100. बेटा 100 में भी परसेंटेज का साइन है, देखो ये 100 है और परसेंटेज का साइन क्या है बेटा? दिस इज द परसेंटेज साइन. देखो इसमें एक है, इसमें भी एक है, इसमें एक जीरो है, एक जीरो इधर है, दूसरा जीरो इधर है, दूसरा जीरो इधर है, तो दोनों सेम हो गए कि नहीं दोनों? इज इट? Yes, my dear student, just remember 100 and percentage are each other joined. Is it? Correct. Okay. So whenever three parts are there, 2:3:5. Don't worry about 2:3:5. 2:3:5. क्या करेंगे सबसे पहले? सबको प्लस कर दो. क्या आंसर मिला आपको बेटा? 10. करेक्ट, नो प्रॉब्लम. 10 मिल गया. अच्छा, इसका फर्स्ट पार्ट का लेना है, क्या करेंगे? 2/10. इसका लेना है तो क्या करेंगे? 3/10. इसका पार्ट लेना है, क्या करेंगे? 5/10. इफ एनी रिलेशन इज देयर, जस्ट सिंप्लीफाइड. 5 2 जा 1/5 इज द आंसर. इसका क्या होगा? 5 1 जा 5, 5 2 जा 1/2. करेक्ट, परफेक्ट. नाउ लुक एट हियर, 1:4. जैसे मैंने अभी बताया था, कोई भी चीज होगी तो उसको हम पूरा 100% बोलेंगे. सर्कल है, पिज्जा है, स्क्वायर है, कोई भी एक फिगर आप पकड़ो, मान लो आपको स्क्वायर में रस है तो स्क्वायर ले लो, तो ये 100% है. अच्छा, वो जो चीज है उसका हमने दो पार्ट कर दिया, तो दो पार्ट में क्या बनेगा? 50% इसका, 50% इसका हो गया. अच्छा, वो चीज का हमने 4 भाग बना दिया बेटा, 1 2 3 4. तो ये आधा 50 है, आधा 50 है, उसका भी आधा आधा किया, तो 50 का आधा कितना हो गया बेटा? 25. ये 25, ये 25 और ये 25. इज इट? उसमें से कोई एक पार्ट सिलेक्ट कर लो, कोई भी सिलेक्ट कर लो. आपने मान लो कि ये पार्ट सिलेक्ट किया, तो कितना परसेंटेज आपने ले लिया बेटा? 25% आपने ले लिया. अच्छा, कितना पार्ट बचा? 3 पार्ट बचा. 3 पार्ट का टोटल कितना होगा बेटा? 25 + 25 + 25, टोटल आर 75. इज इट? Let's check our answer according to the question is right or wrong. See, 1:4 में क्या होगा? Yes, that is a good question. मान लो कोई चीज है, उसको हमने 5 भाग में दे दिया, 1 2 3 4 और 5 भाग कर दिया. इक्वल पार्ट. सी, बी केयरफुल, इक्वल पार्ट. 100% टोटल है, दर का कितना भाग हो? मान लो आप 5 फ्रेंड है, 5 फ्रेंड को इक्वल पैसे ला के 100 रुपीज बनाने के, तो आप कितने कितने पैसे लाएंगे? मनी इज द मैटर. 20 रुपीज आप लेके आएंगे तो 100 बन जाएगा पक्का. आप पैसे में तो बहुत पक्के है, एक मैथ्स में ही कच्चे रह जाते हैं. 20 20 20. अच्छा, उसमें से एक ही पार्ट को लेने का, एक स्टूडेंट का बोलेंगे तो कितना आएगा? 20%. तो बाकी के कितने हो गए बेटा? 20 + 20 + 20 20, दैट्स 80%. इज इट? बोलो, कितना सिंपल समझा है मैंने, एकदम इजी बना दिया है. आप लोग अच्छी तरह से समझ सकते हैं इसको कैसे करने का है. तो आई थिंक सो हियर वी एंड अप आवर टुडे सेशन एंड वी कैन से टेक केयर एंड से बाय बाय. थैंक यू once again. थैंक यू and thank you. Be safe. Take care. Bye bye.